Good morning, everyone. Today we'll be talking about life cycle costing. Life cycle costing is a system that tracks and accumulates the actual cost and revenue attributable to cost object from its invention to abandonment. Next, we'll be looking at the characteristics of life cycle costing. First off, it's the product life cycle costing involving tracing of costs and revenues of products over several calendar periods throughout its life cycle. Protolife's costing traces research, design, and development costs and total magnitude of these costs for each individual project and compared with the product revenues. Next is the each phase of the product life cycle possesses different threats and opportunities that may require different strategic action. Product life cycle may be extended by finding new users or by increasing the consumption of all the present users. Next, we'll be looking at the different types of life cycle costing. First off, it's the product life cycle costing and, and project life cycle costing. Product life cycle costing is based on cost that starts from starting or invention to its dismantling, and also it is done on a new product, not a physical asset. The different stages of product life cycle cycle costing are material research, specification, design, prototype manufacture, development, tooling, manufacture, selling, distribution, product support, and decommissioning. The purpose of life cycle costing is to help in developing a sense of total cost associated with the product. This will help in identifying as the profits earned during manufacturing phase would cover the costs in development and decommissioning phase. Next is to identify the product's environmental cost consequences and to initiate action for reducing or eliminating such costs. Now let's look at the benefits of product life cycle costing. Uh, it results in earlier actions to generate revenue or lower costs than otherwise might be considered. There are a number of factors that need to be managed in order to maximize returns on a product. Better decisions should follow a more accurate and realistic assessment of revenue and cost within a particular life cycle stage. It can promote long-term rewarding in contrast to short-term rewarding. It provides an overall framework for considering total incremental costs over the entire span of a product. Project life cycling includes costs associated with acquiring, using, caring for, and disposing of physical assets. Life cycle costing or whole life cycle costing is the process of eliminating how much money you will spend on an asset over the course of its useful life. Next, let's look at the purpose of project life cycle cost analysis. First off, if we have to choose between two or more assets. Next, we have to determine the asset's benefits. We have to create accurate budgets. Okay, now we're going to look at the life cycle costing process, which starts with the LCC and analysis planning, life cost analysis preparation, and implementing and monitoring. And with that, we have come to the end of the video. Thank you.